Hello, my name is Mustafa Shalani, and this is my science project about bacteria and viruses. Now we will talk about the structure of bacteria and viruses. Bacteria are single-celled prokaryotic organisms with a cell wall made of peptidoglycan, while viruses do not contain something except DNA or RNA, never both. They require a host to reproduce. Now we will talk about the size and the shape. Bacteria typically range from a few micrometers in length, with shapes that look like sphere, rods, and spirals. Viruses are much smaller, usually between 0.02 and 0.4 micrometers. Now we will talk about the infection process. Bacteria reproduce asexually and can survive on non-living surfaces. Viruses enter living cells to replicate, requiring a host to infect. And now we will talk about the common disease. Bacterial infections can lead to diseases like strep throat, while viral infections can cause illnesses such as the flu. Now we will talk about the treatment. Antibiotics are effective against bacterial infections, but are ineffective against viruses, which can be treated with antiviral medications. Now we will talk about the key differences between bacteria and viruses. The first point that we will be talking about is that bacteria are living single-celled organisms, but viruses are not considered fully living. The second key difference is that bacteria can reproduce on their own, but viruses must infect a host cell. The third key difference that we will be talking about is that bacteria are larger and have a cellular structure. The fourth key difference that we will be talking about is that viruses are much smaller and consists mainly of genetic material in a protein coat. Now we will be talking about the prevention of bacterial and viral infections. The first prevention that we will be talking about is that we wash hands regularly with soap and water. The second prevention we have is that we keep vaccinations up to date. The third prevention we have is that we avoid close contact with infected individuals. And the last prevention we have is that we maintain good hygiene and a healthy lifestyle to strengthen immunity. Thank you. My name was Mustafa Shalani, and this was my science project for term 3 grade 10. Thank you.